When I was a boy, no one talked about their feelings. We didn't have that luxury. I thought silence was the answer. So maybe it's time I said the things I never could.
I grew up thinking a man had to keep things inside. I thought I was protecting you by not talking about my pain. But now, I wonder if I was just passing it on.
I've always felt like I had to be strong. Like showing anything else would mean I'm weak. But the truth is, I'm tired of carrying this by myself.
I need to feel understood.
I need to feel seen.
I need to feel heard.
Healing starts when silence ends. Visit silencetheshame.com to begin your journey. If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental health, call, text, or chat 988 to connect with someone who can help.